Everybody wants something big in their life. Everybody want to achieve something bigger, want to grow bigger, want to get success bigger, but they are waiting for a perfect time. They are waiting for a perfect plan, and they think that one day perfect time will come, then I'll start. One day perfect plan I'll get, then I'll start. Do you think that will perfect time, will perfect plan come to their life and they will start? No. The truth is, to get success, to grow in your life, to reach wherever you want to reach, there are only three steps. If you follow these three steps can change the life, can change everything, can change your present, can also change your future. So hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, law of attraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And my today topic is dream big, small step, and and consistent actions. I would like to talk all these three things one by one, why this is important and how to set your big dream, how to start and how to take an action. So first thing, you always dream big. Why? Because if you see the dream beyond your imagination, beyond your limits, because you see your dream, beyond your current reality. Maybe if you are making 20,000 today, so don't see the dream that I'm gonna make 25,000 rupees in a future, maybe in 1 month, in 2 months. No, this is really not a big dream. This is really bullshit dream. See that if you're making 2,000, 20,000 today, so why don't you see that next 6 month, next 8 month, I'm gonna make 2 lakh rupees every month. If you set big dream, if you see a big dream, so the level of your vibration, the level of your actions, the level of your belief will change. Because if you set the goal beyond your current reality, so somewhere you are changing, somewhere you are bringing something in your life. That's why always set a big dream. And what is the second step is a small step. You always start your dream to achieve, dream to chase with a small step. Why do I say a small step? I have a big dream, why do I do a small step? Let me tell you. Suppose you are a student, maybe you are a businessman, you are a professional. At very first time when you start anything, so you don't have an experience, you don't know how to bring the momentum, you don't know how to handle objection, you don't know how to handle challenges. So if you start bigger move, so if you start bigger, so the challenge will also come to you bigger. You don't know how to handle small one challenge, so how can you handle bigger one? That's why you always start with a small step. So if you start with a small step, somewhere you are bringing momentum, somewhere you are bringing the in full swing of, you are bringing something that something you are upgrading yourself, some skill you are upgrading yourself, something in your mind you are upgrading yourself, something in body you are upgrading something. Why do I say something? Actually, if momentum will come, so you will feel different, you will think different, you believe that it is a possible and I can achieve it, it is a possible and I can make it happen, it is a possible and I can be like that. So momentum only will come when you take a small step. Okay. And the third and most important thing is take action consistently. Why do I say take action consistently? Suppose you are a student, right? And there is your exam after 3 months, maybe after 4 months, and you are not taking action regularly, consistently. It means today you read, tomorrow you skip, after tomorrow you read, after next tomorrow you skip. So if you are developing such a bad habit, do you think that will you achieve your goal? Do you think that are you able to top in your class? No. So the great people and successful people says that always take consistent action. If you really want to make something big changes in your life, something big changes, yeah, if you really want to achieve something amazing in your life, take small action. Don't try to take very big action, and don't try to take skippable action. Always take consistent and small action. Consistent and small action both, if aligned together, these two actions can bring amazing result, can bring amazing momentum, and can change your life scenario. So these three things, if you seriously follow and if you follow them consistently, these three steps can change your everything. And always you remember, everybody has a dream and everybody wants something in life. So see big dream, start with a small step, and take consistent action. Life will change. So thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.